Hey guys, Doug here from Motion. Just a quick reminder, so as we're getting into the racing season, people are starting to utilize a lot of the fuel systems we built over the winter or fuel systems they built. Start getting the calls like my fuel pump's not keeping up, and we can kind of back calculate horsepower and know that it's way off. Or, you know, my pump's getting noisier, we're having issues, that type of thing. Injector duty cycle is going through the roof, what's going on? So this is just a quick reminder, it's time to check your filters. It's about far enough in the season. Your fuel system, like they say, is never gonna be dirtier than when you first put it together. So if you haven't checked your filter since you put it together, time to do it. Your pre-filter, your post-filter, both of them. So on a lot of today's big fuel injected combos, the injector manufacturers want us to put like a 10 micron or smaller filter before the injectors. And that's great, except for if you run it with E85 or methanol, you need to run a micro glass filter like we do. We run the Aeromotive filter for all of our big pump setups. So the problem with that is when that thing's clogged, it's clogged and it'll actually physically stop flowing. Your pump will start pumping against basically a brick wall. It'll get noisy, it'll burn up the pump, it'll turn this filter inside out and you'll have all kinds of issues. So this filter, we keep them in stock. It's for your 12339 filter, and it's a good replacement. Just pull that out, put this one in. The microglass filters are not reusable, not washable. The stainless filters, like we sell with the MagnaFuel systems and the pre-filter for the Aeromotive, are reusable. So you can just take those out, wash them out with brake clean, that type of thing, put them back together and you're good to go. And but the microglass needs to be replaced. It's always a good regimen to check these post filters, especially these small 10 micron ones, on a regular basis, 2 or 3 times through the year, just to make sure everything's flowing and working properly. So check these, might save you a motor, might take away all your fuel system headaches and your tuner's chasing and getting mad because he had a good tune-up in it and all of a sudden it's going away. So check it out, make sure everything's flowing good, and get back to racing.